This 2,500-year-old story just predicted your entire life. Everyone knows the hare was fast and the tortoise was slow. Everyone thinks the moral is slow and steady wins the race. But tonight, I'm going to show you the real reason the tortoise always wins and why 99% of people in 2025 are still losing exactly like the hare. The hare didn't lose because he took a nap. He lost because of one deadly mistake that's quietly destroying school grades, careers, relationships, and bank accounts right now. Stay until the end, because the final twist will probably explain why you feel stuck. Let's go back to the race. The hare blasts off, lightning fast, dust flying, animals cheering. The tortoise, he just starts walking. One tiny step after another. Halfway through, the hare looks back, sees the tortoise barely moving, laughs, and decides to take a nap under a shady tree. Big mistake. Hours later, the hare wakes up, sprints, but it's too late. The tortoise has already crossed the finish line. Crowd goes wild. The hare is shocked. And schools teach us, slow and steady wins the race, but that's the children's version. Here are the 6 brutal truths the ancient story actually hides. Number 1, direction beats speed. The hare was faster, but he wasted energy jumping sideways, showing off. The tortoise picked one direction and never stopped. In real life, 30 focused minutes every day beats 10 hours of distracted grinding once a month. Number 2, ego is the real nap. The hare didn't sleep because he was tired. He slept because he already felt like he won. Success in your head before it's in reality equals guaranteed failure. Number 3, systems beat motivation. The tortoise didn't need a hype song. His heavy shell forced him to keep the same pace every single day. Build systems. Same time, same place, same tiny action. And you win when motivation dies. Number 4, compound growth looks like nothing until it's everything. Looks pathetic until 5 years later, you're untouchable. Number 5, the crowd is always wrong. Every animal bet on the hare. Every single one lost. Your friends will laugh when you move slow and quiet. Let them. Number 6, the secret most people never hear. In some ancient versions, they race again the next day. The hare learns his lesson. No nap, full focus, and still loses. Why? The tortoise took a smarter path with shade and water, while the hare burned out in the sun. Translation: smart work beats hard work. Strategy beats effort. So if you feel like everyone is passing you right now, if social media makes you feel slow, broke, or behind, good. The real race is long, And the tortoise always wins. Not because he's slow, but because he never stops, never shows off, and plays a completely different game. Speed impresses for 5 seconds. Consistency compounds forever. Choose. If this just hit you hard, like the video, subscribe, and comment the word tortoise below. If you're done being the hare, I read every comment. See you in the next one.